Hello, good morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery for the BMW X3. BMW X3. This is the key from BMW X3 2018, the end of 2018. This is for BMW X3 generation 2017 to 2020. Yeah, okay, here's the key. Okay, here's the battery. The battery, is a CR2032. It's very simple, very simple. See the you see sometimes the you see this the button is at the back, at the side here, sometimes at the back here. To release the blade, the blade, you just press this button on the side here. Yeah, you press it down, and then you just pull it out like that. See, the blade will come out like that. Once it's out, yeah, and then you turn around, you see there's a tiny hole at the here. See, tiny hole. See, so if you put the flat screwdriver in like that, yeah, you just put it in like that, and then you twist it, and you open. You just twist it and you open like that. Okay, and then just put in the battery. Yeah, but this end go in first. Yeah, this end, yeah, you got to put it in like that. Oops, this end going first. Yeah, going first like that, and then you just slide in like that. You see, and then put the cover back on. Yeah, the end bit go in first. You see this, the end bit going like that. Yes, okay, going like that. Yeah, okay, you just press it down. Yeah, press it down, you see, it's all in, and then put the blade back on. Yeah, it's very simple, isn't it? It's quite a nice looking key actually, compared with the previous BMW. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Keep checking my my video. I got most every single type of car keys. I can do it here. Yeah, okay, thank you so much.